Welcome to the ultimate Indian street food tour, where every bite is a burst of flavor. Pani Puri, crispy, tangy, spicy water bombs. One is never enough. Vada Pav, Mumbai's spicy burger. Soft bun, fried potato patty, and that fiery chutney. Pav Bhaji, buttery, spicy mashed veggies served with hot, toasted bread. A total comfort dish. Samosa, golden, crunchy, and filled with spiced potatoes. A classic on every corner. Jalebi, crispy, sweet spirals soaked in syrup. Dessert goals. Spicy, sweet, crunchy, and unforgettable. Indian street food hits every craving. Which one are you craving right now?